Just picked up this Kaiweets KM601 smart digital multimeter, auto ranging. Almost looks like an iPhone. You power it up. It's got auto functioning. It'll go directly to what you need. So you got a continuity test. Look at your voltage, AC, DC. Got all your different things. It's also a pretty cool feature I found when I first got it was non-contact. It'll act like a non-contact voltage tester as well. Has a thermocouple to measure temperature. So pretty neat deal on Amazon, not too expensive. Probably not as accurate as say a Fluke, but for the simple jobs, this will be the job done.